Hey there. Welcome to Wealth Hive, where we believe your financial journey begins today. That's right, today. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make sense of your finances, or just unsure where to start, you're in the right place. We're about to kickstart your path to financial freedom. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? Yeah, same. That used to be me. I'd get my paycheck, pay the bills, buy some stuff, and by the end of the month, poof, gone. Sound familiar? Now let's get real. You've probably heard this a million times. You need to save and invest if you want financial freedom. But let's be honest, how many of us actually know where to start? The truth is, the world of finance is overwhelming. With all the jargon, myths, and complicated advice out there, it's easy to just shut it all out and hope for the best. Look, I get it. You're busy. Between work, family, and life, the last thing you want to worry about is money. But here's the cold, hard truth. If you don't take control of your finances now, you'll be stuck in the same cycle forever. You might be thinking, but I don't know how, or it's too late for me. Well, I'm here to tell you, it's never too late to start. In fact, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Imagine this, you're sitting 5 years from now, looking back at this exact moment. Do you want to regret not taking action today? That's a scary thought, isn't it? But here's the good news. You have the power to change that. Yeah, if only ignoring our finances made us rich, right? Spoiler alert, it doesn't. At Wealth Hive, we're going to cut through the confusion. No boring lectures. No complicate jargon. Just real, simple, and actionable advice that you can start using today. I'll walk you through exactly how money works, how to grow it, and how to make sure it works for you. Because the goal isn't just to earn more. It's to build a life where you don't have to worry about money anymore. Think about it. What if you could retire early? Or at least feel secure about your future? That's the freedom we're talking about. But here's the thing, time is not on your side. Every year that goes by without making smart financial decisions is a year of potential wealth lost. And while you're waiting for the right time to start, trust me, that time is slipping away. So let me ask you, are you going to let fear hold you back? Or are you going to take action today? Because the truth is, no one gets rich by waiting for next week. Unless, of course, you're waiting for a lottery win. But let's be real, that's not a plan. Now, you might be wondering, but where do I even begin? Don't worry, we'll cover everything, from saving your first $100 to learning how to invest for long-term growth. And in my next video, I'm going to reveal one of the biggest mistakes beginners make when investing, and how you can avoid it. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. But before we get there, let's talk about something even more important, the mindset shift you need to make. All right, be honest with yourself. How many times have you said, I'll start next week, or I'll think about it later? It's okay, we've all been there. But that mindset, that's exactly what keeps us stuck in the same place. The decision to take control of your finances starts right now. And I'll be right here, guiding you every step of the way. So here's your challenge. Hit that subscribe button now. Not for me, but for your future self. Because if you don't, we both know what's going to happen. You'll keep putting it off. And that's not the future you want, is it? Let's make this the moment everything changes. Hit that subscribe button, and let's start building your wealth, one smart decision at a time. And trust me, after the next video, you'll feel way more confident about your finances. Ready to change your life? Then let's get started. And make sure to subscribe.